Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's his next move? Let's find out in the charts up here, shall we? All right, Bitcoin, man, it has broken upwards. I was in a Telegram group, and people were telling me, "Hey, this looks a little dark, man. Are we gonna dump or pump?" And I said, "Pump," but it looks dark. No, man, pump. And we pumped heavily, faster than I thought. And in fact, right, as you can see, I got scam wicked out here. And boom, and it just went straight up higher. We're gonna talk about that and more in today's episode, where Bitcoin is going, where it could possibly go in the next little while. So I'm excited about that. Also, we're gonna talk about Ethereum, right? The London hard fork activated yesterday, and now we're burning about $10,000 worth of Ethereum every minute. We're going to talk about a little bit about that in today's episode, so make sure you watch until the very end. I won't be doing a news show today, right? So just letting you know. So I'm going to be leaving Miami tomorrow, right? I actually live in Dubai, right? I used to live in Chile. And I'm loving Dubai, man. I'm really loving it, and I'm having a great time over in Dubai, and I'm looking forward to going back. Really liked Miami. It was great being here. I was thinking about doing another meetup, but I got so much work today that I got to get done, so I can't do the meetup again today. Sorry, guys. I know you're probably looking for another meetup here in Miami, but I won't be doing that, unfortunately. All right. With that said, today's show, right, is not financial advice, just trading entertainment. Just remember to do your own research before putting any money into the market. All right. Let's get on to the charts here. This was like crazy, man. Bitcoin just broke down and it looked like it was gonna take out the lower levels, but no, boom, it just all of a sudden exploded higher. You can see the W action if you waited for the W breakout at the 39,971. Sorry, 39,931. You could have you're up here right now, and this thing looks like it's poised to continue higher. The target, of course, is the top end of the range here. But I really think this time around, the bears are going to run out of steam, and this thing is blasting off. Looking for an entry here, you can see you could try to take this 4 hour entry where the bottom is the bottom of the last 4 hour candle here. Let's just take a look at what it is the stop loss. But as you can see, they love to do stop runs, so maybe you might want to move it a little bit lower, or take the entry at this level, and then take a 2% a 2% loss only. So I wouldn't be surprised if the market tries to take out this level here. You could do both, of course, as well. You could and look for an entry in the lower time frames, and should it take you out at the 39,879, you can like re-enter and just take another 2% loss should it go further. That's another way to deal with it. You can see that we're already creating on the 15 minute. We created a little bit of a W action. It's just like you can see that this was definitely a stop run here. Boom. And off we went. So I expect more of those stop runs to show up. This thing looks like it wants to take off right here. The target for this W right here, as you can see, the breakout is right there. The target for this W would be the measured move. Boom. Boom. Up to, let's see here. We're going to take out the current local top a little bit. No, maybe not. Looks like we're just gonna get close to it, but we might just take out the local top. But don't be surprised if price action does something like this. We go higher, we go up to here, and then we fail, and then take out this just to be nasty to all the longs out there. So look out for something exactly like that in the next little while. There's a lot of that going on in the Bitcoin price action. Okay, with that said, let's head over to Ethereum. But before we do, we're wanting to know that both Bybit and Femex is giving massive bonuses, deposit bonuses. Femex is $1,200. Bybit is $1,600. Make sure you get part of that bonuses by clicking my links in the referral links below, right? You'll get those bonuses. And if you own the DJ15 tokens, you'll also get 12.5% of my revenue given back to you, right, by owning the TJ15 token. So make sure you do get your DJ15 tokens along with following along with one of my referrals. All right, let's head over to Ethereum, right? Oh my goodness. It is, this chart's a little messy, but let me just clean it up a little bit. There we go. Boom, I'm just gonna clean this up. Boom. You could see Ethereum, look, it was like, oh, I'm gonna break above this, and now I'm failing this trend line. No, now I'm breaking above it again, and I'm gonna fail it. Nope, I'm gonna break. Ethereum can't make up its mind. Oh my goodness. But this is good. This is all good. It's definitely headed in its trajectory, just making it really difficult for traders to ride along to the $3,000 mark if you're not already in. You can see that Ethereum is marching up there. You can see it's probably going to, once here, if we take a trend line from here, let's just see, take a ray, and we make an upwards trend line, I believe we'll see that once we break this level here, you can see, oops, there we go. Once we break this trend and we break higher, this is going to be an explosive move as this thing, has an apex somewhere higher, and then you can see, boom, this channel. So if it breaks upwards, it's going to go boom, explosive. Every time it tries to break down and try to spook you and say, hey, we're breaking out of that these channels here. There's rising wedge, right? It's trying to spook the traders out. This because it's a very narrow rising wedge that it's carrying. And as you can see, and it just keeps breaking through it and trying to spook you out. All right, so it's definitely going to go a lot higher, probably a lot higher than $3,000. So expect that. Maybe we'll do like $3,300 on Ethereum before this is over, and then we see some consolidation, sideways action, and then the next move higher. Another thing about Ethereum is that it's burning $10,000 every minute. That's $2 million worth of Ethereum is gone out of circulation every single day. This is going to be huge going forward. This might attract more buyers to Ethereum in the short term, and also for the long term. We're going to see probably Ethereum outperform a Bitcoin even after Bitcoin tops out. It will continue to run higher. In my personal opinion, because I think once an asset goes into deflationary mode, it doesn't really affect the asset until at least 12 to 18 months out. So we're going to see a massive run a year from now, or between a year and 18 months from now, because of this particular event that is going on. So yeah, I'm happy about that. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. If we take a look at a Bitcoin Ethereum chart, and let's just pull one up right now. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Boom. There we go. You can see, wow, it's breaking out of a what's it called, a descending triangle. Is this a descending triangle? No, it looks more like it was a descending triangle. Let's see here. I'm going to call this a descending triangle because it was clearly one. Here you can see, boom, it was a descending triangle all the way, and it broke out of it, and and it broke higher, and you can see that this thing could do something crazy. All right, and go a lot higher from here. Boom, broke out from here, so you can see the target is approximately 0.09-ish area. And it'll probably do a lot higher. So Ethereum is on its trajectory. Also, you can see that the dominance, right? It's struggling to break that descending triangle. Also, you can see if we trade, this is also, I just realized something here. This trend here. Now, if we look at it another way, you can see that this might be I don't know. Let's see here. Well, I guess we could ignore the wick, right? And then this would give us a little bit more information. It was a rising wedge, sort of, right? We broke down from the rising wedge. Yeah, it is a rising wedge. And then we've broken through it clearly, and now we could be retesting it. Hopefully it doesn't break into that wedge and go higher. But I'm thinking it's gonna break down, and we're gonna see a massive bull market on the alts, and I'm loving it because we're doing the little lady strategy, and if you're not part of the little lady strategy, you're missing out a lot of profits. It's an easy way to profit from the altcoin season that's coming here. I show you exactly how to buy the alts, right? And I'm also doing that in our group, right? So I'm going to be doing a video again today. So if you want to see which alts to buy, how much to buy, join our group, right? I have lots of videos there of us buying alts and trading alts. So make sure that you're a part of it so that you can actually make some easy money using the little lady strategy and profit without having to do as much stress work as day trading can be. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys joining us by subscribing to DaVinci J15 today. All right, with that said, thank you all for watching. Thank you for being here. Remember, Bitcoin's real. Bitcoin's here to stay, right? And you need to be a part of it. Cheers.